Thunders, welcome to your favorite YouTube channel TGK Thunders. I would like to address this video to all the Indian Thunders as there is a news that crypto is being banned in India. First thing, please don't panic. Secondly, let's check the facts. So let's see what News 18 has tweeted. So they are saying there is no ban on crypto. There is a regulation mechanism which will be placed so that it's not misused. And let's see what the Times of India has to say. The Times of India says ideal law will ban the use of legal tender and allow it to be an asset. That is, this means that you just can't use cryptocurrency as your local currency like rupees. You can't buy anything with crypto, but you can keep it as an asset. You can have a portfolio in crypto. So with these articles, it's clear that it's not banned in India. It's just not a legal tender. Now let's see on this news, on this rumor, you can say, what happened to the USDT INR. The prices, as you can see, when we'll switch to a daily chart on CoinDCX, you can see the prices made a low of 56.75 and it recovered in few hours to 70. So our request to all the Thunders is that please don't panic sell. Things are not going to be banned overnight. It's just a bill which is being introduced. I repeat, it's just a bill and not a law. So if you are scared of this fall, we will recommend that please hold. Don't sell. The prices will soon recover. Disclaimer to all the Thunders that this video is not a financial advice. It's a recommendation to take a look at it, but do your own research at all times. So thank you guys for watching. Also do like, comment and subscribe so that we are motivated to introduce good projects to you.